guess this is one of the famous lechon places. I asked several places and they recommended this one. It's right here by IT Park. It's called House of Lechon. Nice seating outside. It smells good already. Here's the menu. I ordered a quarter kilogram. I think it might be too much. So that's the picture. Oh, this is where the magic happens. I'm doing video right now. All right. I can't wait to eat this. It looks awesome. So here's a lechon, and obviously looks like a pig's head. And they serve the rice in a little nice little container. And of course, there's the pepper and the calamansi. And that's the vinegar for it. The meat looks great. Alright, I wash my hands. Let's see how this tastes. Crispy. Crispy for sure. Wow. Let's see how this tastes. Very good. Not very salty. One more time. Super crispy. Alright, this is with the rice, a piece of the hot pepper, dipped it in the au jus. So let's see what the combination tastes like. Must have the pepper. 100%. Easy, huh? This little thing is ridiculous. Wow. It's like jalapeno times 5. Alright, let's see how this tastes with the vinegar. Take a piece. I'll get some of that pepper on there. I'm gonna cry today. Pretty much finished with it. A couple more pieces and time to go. Too bad you can't smell it. Alright, the meal has arrived. The place is called Puss On, here outside of Dumaguete, next to a whole bunch of power line as usual, and the piece de resistance. This is lechon belly, so it's just the belly part of it. Nice and crispy. Thin pieces. Sauce. Let's see how crispy this is. Not as crispy, but the flavors very good. I see garlic, onion, some other spices, pepper, black pepper, salt obviously. And let's dip it in this. This has a skin that's not as roasted, and 3 different layers cold, it looks like. White meat, dark meat, skin, dipped it in the sauce. Oh, gotta try that pepper again, so delicious though. Open wide. I like sitting here with cars going by, open air. No fancy restaurant. And the food is good. Cheers. Is that water or oil? What? Water.
Sa Tonyon, sa Nagpilitin. Idol, iikot mo ako.
lechon and tires. It's fine. I had the spicy one at C&T and that was delicious. Wow, holy cow. It's good. Not spicy. I came back after asking him. They say it's spicy, but their spicy one, I guess it just has spice. It's not pepper spicy. It's okay. Good. Alright, one more of the skin. Come on, focus. There we go. Not bad. That one's more crunchy. So this was highly rated. It's boneless lechon, but it's which is basically just the belly, which is supposed to be the best part. This is where they cook it on the charcoal. But I got here too late. It's already been cooked and removed. I'll take some pictures inside. Simple menu. I ordered the 1 kilo, but I asked him to give half classic and half spicy. Let's order some water. I think this is the spicy one.
Yes, spicy.
It's the original recipe. Side of rice and coconut leaf. Spicy, you can see the pepper in there and all the flavors. It's the regular one. So I'm gonna scooch over so I'm in the camera. And this one is coconut leaf wrapped rice. Smells good. Alright. Spicy. It's the original one. A lot of flavoring. It's really good. Move the camera up a little bit. dip it in the sauce. Buttery skin. Wow. It's delicious. Much better than the other restaurant. Look how it tastes. It's very, it looks like glutinous rice, so just rice. Nothing fancy. But this is crazy. This is really good. Really good. Look at all the pepper and stuff in here. All cooked with all these spices, so but it's still, you can still taste the meat in there and the juices, but it's I think it's got lemongrass, peppercorns, and a whole bunch of magic, so I love it. This is the plain one. It still has some spices in there, but without pepper.